Did you know that hugging a tree can boost your mood? Studies show that the act of embracing a tree releases oxytocin, the hormone responsible for feelings of happiness and connection. This quirky habit, often dismissed as a hippie cliché, actually has roots in science. The texture of the bark and the earthy scent stimulate our senses, grounding us in the present moment. Next time you're feeling down, try this natural pick-me-up. It's a simple, free way to enhance your emotional well-being. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising facts.